Now that we've practiced the basic past, present, and future tense, we're going to really focus on the past perfect tense. A verb tense refers to the action being performed in the past, present, or future. The past perfect tense is used to indicate that an action occurred before another action in the past. So, for example, I had practiced the song several times before I went to the audition. The past perfect tense is formed with the past tense form of the verb to have plus the past participle of the main, usually action verb. So the equation for past perfect tense is had plus the past participle. So for example, she had eaten a snack before her mom came home from work. On the other 2 pages of your worksheet, you are now going to turn all of those sentences into past perfect tense. So all you are doing is locating the verb, which is normally the action, which typically comes second in the sentence. You have your subject and then what the subject is doing, and you need to rewrite the sentence using the word had. So you have to add had in front of the verb that is already in past tense. Good luck! After this video is concluded, please start the 10-minute timer. If you finish the worksheet before the 10-minute timer, you may do Lexia. Good luck!